Hey guys, Steve Pedersen here with Rockstar Website Design. WordPress has a major new update. It's WordPress 5.0 and it comes with a new editor called the Gutenberg editor, or also known as the block editor, and it's going to completely revolutionize the way you create pages and posts in WordPress. It also features a new minimalist theme called 2019. Let's dive in. This is the default post that they give you with your installation, the Hello World post, and this is the new block editor. Everything is basically blocks. There's title blocks, text blocks. We could add an image block. We can either do that over here because I did that recently, or we could add from a whole slew of different blocks. Let's go ahead and add an image block, and I'm going to choose an image from my media library. I'll go ahead and select that, and you'll notice there are a couple of new ways that you can insert your image. You have the default left, center, and right justify. You can also make it a wide width or a full width image, which is pretty interesting. You can also add a two-column block as well. So if you're not totally digging the new editor here, the block editor, you can actually switch easily back and forth between the new block editor and the classic editor just by going here. We're going to leave that, but we're going to go back and forth very simply. If you're in the classic editor, you can switch back to the block editor. If you're in the block editor, you can easily switch to the classic editor. Now, if you want to set one of these editors as the default, then you just need to go over to the settings, select writing, and you have the option here to select whether you go with the classic editor or the block editor as your default. And if you have people that add content to your website, you can select whether they have the option of choosing between the two editors. So if you want to go with just one editor and force everybody to get used to the new block editor, then that's what you would select, and of course save your changes. Now let's take a look at the new theme, the 2019 theme. This is a very bare bones, very minimalist theme with not much in the way of customization. So for example, with the logo, you only have a square logo. Mine is circular, but you have to crop your logo so it's only square. Now this image right here that you see, this is a page, not a post, by the way, and there's an image, and this is the featured image for this page. So if you set a featured image, you're going to get this kind of a layout. However, for example, if you have a sample page and there's no featured image, there's not going to be any kind of image there. Same goes for blogs. If you don't have a featured image for your blog post, for example, this one does have a featured image. It's the same one. It's going to show up as a full page image, whereas if you don't have a featured image, it's just going to show up like so. Now what's interesting is this is a block right here of text, but it's not a two-column one. The two-column ones tend to take up the whole page, and the single-column ones don't, which I think is a little interesting. But like I said, this is a very bare bones type of layout here. All of these widgets are down in the footer. If you'll notice, there is actually no sidebar to this theme. So you just have your header with your title and tagline, your navigation, your content, and then the items in the footer. That's all there is to this theme. Like I said, not much customization. There's no templates to choose from. You just have the one. So it's great for writers. WordPress is primarily a blogging platform, so it's great for bloggers who just want to put some content out there. So this is a first look at the new WordPress 5.0 in under 5 minutes. I would definitely appreciate it if you like the video. Please leave a comment, share, subscribe, and if you have any other questions or would need me to go over anything else about WordPress 5.0, please leave it in the comments, and enjoy creating with WordPress. Take care.